In nature, it is very admirable, its beauty and perfection it was created, and as it is environment, as the animal fulfill a function in the ecosystem. Everything was created with a specific purpose, but that stand out more are the colors that are able to have not only the plants but the animals that live near them. The colors play a very important role because they allow us to relieve or recognize animals and flowers. It is very curious how some animals benefit from the colors that surround them. A very clear example is an octopus that takes advantage of its camouflage ability to feed on other animals mirror to him but not only serves him to feed itself but to protect itself of the predator. This animal has been studied more closely and is very impressed its ability to get lost in the environment, where it is thanks to its ability to change colors that have inspired several studies and research. The colors in the nature in some cases are so difficult to be able to recognize since they are tonalities that we cannot admirable very easily in the day-to-day. Thanks to this color we can have a very pleasing landscapes for the human eye, but not only do the colors present in nature fulfill this function, they also allow us to recognize some species from others and to be able to study them to recognize plants that can be dangerous, only be seen characteristic by its color and realize that we are surrounded by animals but that perhaps we do not realize if they are lost in the colorful landscape. Not though the color is life, the anything in nature we have to take care of ecosystem that surround you be able to take advantage of everything that can overuse and that we can study it for much more time. In class, we analyzed the case of octopus and several insects, as they are camouflaged in several images they show in the class can see the effect of being camouflaged and how you can take advantage of that ability. Showed function of these animals are the inspiration of several inventions, specifically for the area for the military, that use camouflage suits inspired by the animals, that use that ability to have lost among the objects of the field with some being able to be detected easily.